Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to show you how to back up your Windows files using Google Drive. So, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is make sure you have Google Drive installed on your computer. If you don't have it yet, you can easily download it from the Google Drive website and follow the installation instructions. Once you have it installed, open Google Drive and sign in with your Google account. Next, you'll want to set up Google Drive to sync with your computer. Go to the Settings menu in Google Drive and select Preferences. From there, choose which folders on your computer you want to back up to Google Drive by checking the boxes next to them. You can also adjust other settings like syncing preferences and file conversion options. Once you're done with the settings, click Apply to save your changes. Now that you've set up Google Drive to sync with your computer, it's time to start backing up your files. Simply drag and drop the files or folders you want to back up into the Google Drive folder on your computer. Google Drive will automatically start syncing these files to the cloud so you can access them from anywhere. It's important to note that Google Drive offers 15 gigabytes of free storage, so if you need more space, you may need to purchase additional storage. And that's it. Your files are now safely backed up on Google Drive. Make sure to check on your backup periodically to ensure everything is up to date. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.